Hey, my bona fide peeps. Let me ask you something. When people see your business name or logo, do they remember you? Or do you kind of blend in with all the other house cleaners out there? Today, I'm going to help you stand out locally because your brand is so much more than just a logo or a business name. It's your voice, your values, and how you make people feel when they hire you. Let's dive into how to brand your house cleaning business like a pro, even if you're just getting started.
Bonafide helpful vibes, yeah, we bring it to the life. Real talk, good heart, everything feeling right. From the soul to the smile, let the rhythm rise. Who you tuned in now to Bonafide helpful vibes.
Branding is how people see your business. When I started my business, I knew I wanted something premium, something that represented hard work, honesty, and care. Branding isn't just about colors or fonts. It's about how people perceive your business. Your logo, your messaging, your customer experience, they all tell your story. My mission was simple. Offer excellent, no cutting corners cleaning. That alone added value to my brand. I remember telling my first clients, I'm new to running a business, but I'm not new to working hard. That honesty built trust. Remember, people don't just buy cleaning, they buy confidence in you. And as I always say, a job well done is better than a job well said. Let your work speak just as loud as your words. So, how do you define your brand? Ask yourself, what makes your cleaning business different? Do you use eco-friendly products, offer premium service, or extra attention to detail? Also, write down your mission and values and make sure everything you say and do reflects them. If you're not sure where to start, I've got something for you. My bilingual planner, Plan de Limpieza, Estimate by Room. It helps you present your cleaning services clearly and show clients your value. You can find the link in the description below. Stay tuned for a video showing you how to make full use of this estimation planner, how to stand out locally, how to create a memorable business name and logo. This is very useful, especially in small town locations. Observe some of these examples of plain versus unique house cleaning business names. Now, let's talk about naming your business. Now, I see a lot of names like Lisa's Cleaning Services, and that's okay. But if you want to stand out, make it memorable. Easy to remember, reflects your service, works with your local area. And here's a pro tip. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm location-friendly names and even check domain availability. I describe my location area to ChatGPT and ask for 3 business names for my local area. It gave me these and with an explanation. Desert Sparkle evokes the desert beauty of the area while promising a sparkling, clean home. High Desert Shine, memorable and tied directly to the local high desert identity. Fresh Spaces AV includes AV for Antelope Valley and highlights freshness and comfort. Once you've got your name, use free tools like Canva to design your logo, or hire a pro on Fiverr or Upwork for a polished look. Now, maybe you're not ready for a website, and that's totally fine. Good news, you can start promoting your services without a website. Start small. Canva is a free and paid online tool that can help you make flyers, social media posts, and even business cards that look professional. People spend more time on social media than websites anyway, so posting before and after photos and happy client comments can help your business grow fast. If you have a teen at home who loves tech, put them to work managing your posts. Business cards may seem old school, but trust me, they still work when done right. You can stand out by making a different business card shape with rounded corners in the right color to showcase your brand, like the one here that I created as an example. Include your name, phone number, short list of services, a QR code linking to your social media, and a QR code is a smart addition to your business card because adding a QR code to your business card makes it easier for clients to connect with you instantly. No typing, no searching. With one quick scan, they can visit your social media pages, see your reviews, or even book a cleaning. It also makes your card look modern and professional. Instead of listing long website links, your card stays clean and simple while giving clients access to more information about your business. Pro tip, Add a short line next to your QR code that says, "Scan to see my work and reviews," or "Scan to book your next cleaning." It invites people to take action right away. Use brand colors that reflect your vibe. Greens for eco-friendly, blues for fresh and clean, gold or black for luxury services. And please, don't slip cards under doormats. Place them respectfully and always honor no soliciting signs. Professionalism builds reputation. Consistent plus professional plus friendly is how you communicate, which is part of your brand. Use a clear, friendly tone whether you're in person, on social media, or texting clients. Keep your text and voicemails clear, confident, and polite. Example: "Hello, Mr. Williams. Just a quick reminder. I'll be there to clean tomorrow around 9 a.m. Thank you." Even if clients reply with shorthand, you stay professional. Consistency equals trust. Your colors matter. Use them consistently on your cards, flyers, and social media. Colors say a lot about your business. Green and beige equals eco-friendly. White, black, and gold equals luxury. Light blues and teals equals fresh, friendly, and inviting. Use those colors across your website, flyers, and social media. The goal is consistency. In this industry, trust is everything. If clients love your work, ask for short reviews or videos. Post them on your pages to show reliability and results. You can even thank them with a small discount or referral bonus. These testimonials build confidence and show your reliability. Let's do a quick recap of what we just learned with my Q&A section. 1. What's the difference between marketing and branding for a cleaning business? Branding is about who you are, your mission, values, and what makes you stand out. Marketing is how you share that message through flyers, social media, business cards, or your website. Think of it this way. Your brand builds trust, and your marketing spreads awareness. 2. How can I create a strong brand if I'm just starting out and don't have a big budget? Start with what you already have, your effort and your quality of work. Choose a clear business name, make a free logo in Canva, and start posting before and after photos on Facebook, Instagram, or Nextdoor. Consistency and honesty cost nothing, but make a huge impact. 3. What are some signs of a strong cleaning business brand? Clients remember your name and refer you to others. Your message is consistent. Same tone, same colors, same professionalism. People trust your service and leave positive reviews. You're recognized in your local area, not just for cleaning, but for how you treat clients. 4. Do I need a website right away to build my brand? No, you can start with social media. Facebook business pages, Instagram, and even Google business profiles are free and powerful. Once you've built a few loyal clients and consistent posts, then you can expand to a website. 5. How do I choose the best business name for my cleaning company? Pick something that's easy to pronounce and remember, location friendly, includes your city, region, or community, available online, check if the domain and social media handles are free, true to your brand personality, professional, fun, or eco-friendly. Example: High Desert Shine or Fresh Spaces AV stand out because they're local and descriptive. From my area in the high desert, Antelope Valley area out here in California, which is a huge area, very particular to grow a nice size house cleaning business. 6. How can I make my business cards more effective? Add your contact info, a short list of services, and a QR code linking to your social media. Use brand colors that match your vibe. Green for eco-friendly, blue for fresh, gold for premium. And always hand out cards respectfully, never under doormats or at homes with no soliciting signs. 7. What's the best way to get client testimonials for my cleaning business? Ask happy clients after a successful cleaning session. Say something like, If you're happy with my service, would you mind writing a short review or sharing a quick video testimonial? It really helps my small business grow. You can offer a small discount or a referral bonus as a thank you. 8. How can I make my cleaning business stand out in a small local area? Be personal and community focused. Join local Facebook groups, attend community events, or partner with other small businesses. Show your face, your personality, and your values. People love hiring someone they can trust and relate to locally. 9. What colors are best for my cleaning business brand? Green, beige, brown shows eco-friendly and natural. Blue, teal, white shows clean, fresh, and friendly. Black, gold, white shows premium and professional. Stick to one main color and one accent color for a clean, polished look. 10. How do I keep my brand consistent as I grow? Create a small branding checklist. Use the same logo and colors everywhere. Write messages in the same tone. Keep your service quality high. Update your online pages regularly. Your goal is for clients to recognize your business instantly, no matter where they see it. So remember, your brand is you. It's your effort, your voice, and your personality shining through your work. If this video gave you ideas, give it a thumbs up, share it with another house cleaner, and don't forget, the full blog is linked below. Stay bona fide and keep growing and glowing on your journey to becoming your own boss. See you in the next video.